Hi, I'm Father David McCallum, class of 1990, and one of the members of the Jesuit community here at Lemoyne. I'm really excited to be with you today. I'm going to be making a roasted butternut squash risotto. It's a great dish for winter and maybe even for your own Christmas feast. So come join me in this cooking experiment. This is really nice fruity olive oil and fresh sage leaves. If you like the smell of sage, which has got such a refreshing quality, it's nice to have it in the air. And this really does smell good. As we're thinking about a quarter cup of dry arborio rice per person, this is going to be making roughly enough for 8 people, or 4 hungry people. Risotto is one of those dishes that requires lots of care and feeding along the way. You have to really keep attentive to it. Takes a little bit of time. So it's one of those dishes that's actually packed with love. I find that if you have the rice in for about 20 minutes, then from that point on you really have to start testing it to see if it's getting to the right consistency. As soon as the liquid starts to evaporate off, that's when another ladle full of the broth comes in. Perfectly al dente. So you want to have it a little bit firm to the tooth, as al dente means, and this is just right. As you can see, I'm not really careful about measurement here, but more just for the feel of it. We don't want to overpower the flavors of the squash and that wonderful onion and garlic saute, but we want to bring in a little bit of that nice, rich blue cheese taste that gorgonzola brings.